Another pension I get complaints about, Matty Early Woods, Passive Adventurous B Inc. 3 years, you might think, oh, that's not too bad over 3 years to get a 30% return. Well, I'm going to show you what the problem with that is. You're missing out on a lot. First of all, it's a little bit above its benchmark, but it does hug it a lot. For 2 years, you got next to nothing. Okay? And you might say, well, that's okay, Alpesh, these things happen. Well, okay. The problem with that is that 2023, when you got nothing, was one of the best years the stock market's had since the Second World War. Well, that's all right, Alpesh. They made up for it in 2024, because look, 2024, they went from up 10 to up 20, so 10% return. Yeah, except the stock market did about 2.5 times that. But maybe they're not trying to get a return. Maybe they're trying to get lower volatility. Okay, well, maybe there's something we're missing in all of that. So let's just compare it to something really obvious and simple, which even they'll have heard of, because I'm sure they shop there. Costco. How's that done in 5 years? 212%. Okay, well, it's not like Costco had a history of going, oh, yeah, it actually did. It's really easy. Well, it's one of those names nobody would have heard. Oh, okay, no, Costco everyone's heard of. Well, you can't trust these tech companies. They're really volatile. Oh, it's not a tech company. Oh, okay. And that's just one example. I mean, I could have shown you Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, a bunch of stuff, actually. I could have showed you Walmart. The point is, it's not rocket science. It's not that difficult to find quality companies, and it's not that difficult not to mess it up. But they found a new way of keeping you poor. Well done, because it's pretty piss poor performance. Okay? I'm sorry, there's no two ways of looking at it. Unless you're happy with really poor performance, sorry, excuse me, if you're British, you will be, because you've been beaten down. The Americans wouldn't tolerate that kind of nonsense. Have a look at the link in the bio if you want your sipp pension ISA to be run by somebody who is better informed. And that somebody's not me. It's you I'm talking about. Let's make you better informed. Let's get you educated. Let's get the information in front of you. Not just to download this book, one of my 18 that I've written, so often international bestsellers, and forgive me if I sound a bit arrogant. I'm not arrogant. I'm angry at those bloody fund managers who get paid a fortune for delivering destruction to pensions. Destructions through a hidden little thing called opportunity cost. It's what you didn't realize you could have had that kills you. Okay? And if you're thinking that they protected you from downside volatility and downside risk, they didn't. And that's a single stock risk. I mean, I've given you the